Fire! Fire! There's a fire in the galley! Bridge, this is CE1 Patagana. There's a fire in the galley. Fire alarm activated.
This is the bridge. The fire was reported in the galley. Initiating fire response procedure. Over. Captain, this is officer of the watch. The fire was reported in the galley. Fire alarm activated. Awaiting instruction.
Understood. Proceed with the firefighting procedures immediately. Assemble the firefighting team and keep me updated.
Bridge, this is the Miley. The fire is spreading and cannot be controlled. Over.
Master, the firefighting team reports the fire cannot be controlled.
Understood. All crew, prepare for abandon ship. I will inform the OOW to broadcast a distress call. Send a distress signal immediately. Use the ship's GMDSS system.
I, Captain, broadcasting distress now. Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is MB1000 Sunny, 1000 Sunny, 1000 Sunny. Call sign, Lima, Hotel, India, Papa, Tango, 3. MMSI number 643782949. Position, latitude of 52 degrees 25 decimal 04 minutes north, longitude of 184 degrees 52 decimal 25 minutes east. Fire on board cannot be controlled. I have 10 personnel. We are preparing lifeboats of abandoned ship. I require immediate assistance. All crew abandoning ship. Over.
An alarm has been triggered in the steering console.
Steering is not responding. Engine room, this is Captain. Steering is not responding. Can you investigate immediately?
Understood, Captain. I will check it right away. Captain, both steering motors are broken. We cannot restore steering. I recommended anchoring immediately.
Understood, Chief. Thank you. Officer of the watch, broadcast an urgent message immediately. Inform all vessels in the vicinity to give way. Use the ship GMDSS system.
Hi, Captain. Broadcasting urgency now. Panpan, Panpan, Panpan. This is MB1000 Sunny. MB1000 Sunny. MB1000 Sunny. Call sign, Lima, Hotel, India, Papa, Tango, 3. MMSI number 643782949. Position, latitude of 35 degrees 43 decimal 04 minutes north. Longitude of 113 degrees 42 decimal 05 minutes east. We have a steering failure and are unable to maneuver. We are anchoring. All vessels in the vicinity, please give way. Over.
Anchor, ready for deployment.
Drop anchor immediately. Maintain vigilance. Continue monitoring the situation until assistance arrives.
Captain, there's a floating container spotted 2 points to the starboard bow.
Captain, the floating container is confirmed visually and on radar. It's approximately distance 0.5 nautical miles ahead.
Understood. Take the position of the container and prepare to broadcast a safety message. Broadcast the safety message now. Warn all vessels in the vicinity.
Security, security, security. This is MB1000 Sunny, MB1000 Sunny, MB1000 Sunny. Call sign Lima Hotel India Papa Taco 3. MMSI number 643782949. A floating container has been sighted at position, latitude of 35 degrees 43 decimal 04 minutes north, longitude of 113 degrees 42 decimal 05 minutes east. All vessels in the vicinity proceed with caution. I repeat, over.
Maintain close monitoring of the container and surroundings until it's clear of our path.